Hey, what's up guys? I'm coming back at y'all with another bait hack video. Now you can do this here with a variety of soft plastics. I like to use trick worms and Senkos. Today we're going with Berkeley's version of the Senko, the General. Paired up with a Gamakatsu Finesse EWG weedless hook. Now I know all you guys got some of these in your box. Some straightened out Neko Rig hooks. Well, I got a slot full of these things. Never knew what to do with them until now. For some reason, these hooks straighten out very easy. Instead of throwing them away, I'm going to show you guys what you can do with your straightened out Neko Rig hooks. First thing we're going to do, we're going to cut the eyelet off. Then we're going to cut the barb off. Okay, so now as you can see here, I've cut the eyelet off and the barb of the hook, and we're left with a straight peg and a bait holder. Okay, now we're going to take one of these power worms out. Insert our peg into the very top of the worm. It's going to act like a head basically. Now once you get that pushed down in there, you'll have all your weight at one end. Then we're going to take one of these Gamakatsu EWG Finesse hooks out of the pack. And we're barely gonna skin hook it. Now once you get your hook through, it should look something like this. Now with the little guard that's sitting above the eye of the hook, you just easily bend down and place around the barb of the hook. So now if you guys don't have any Neko Rig hooks that are straightened out, I'm going to show you another method that you can use, and it's very affordable. I know everyone has these little nails at their house. They're just little trim nails. You can get them in all sizes. All you have to do is break a little bit off the tip of the worm to make it flat, and then insert your nails in the head. Right here I use 2. Then you skin hook, attach your weed guard, and voila, magic. When you work the worm, it should walk along the bottom like so. Now this creates a different appearance and drives fish crazy. Now I appreciate everybody watching this video with me. Make sure you hit that thumb. Next video, I'll show you guys how good these things actually work. Until next time, I'll catch y'all at the water, man. Peace.